So today, I decided to destroy my parents' brand new car. Hi guys. And then, this happened.
Stay royalty under the moonlight. We'll be royalty as we dream royalty.
What's up, Royalty fam? How you doing? Before to start this video, follow me real quick. Come on, come follow me real quick. Come on. Okay, let me try this. More time. This time, I'm actually gonna get it. I'm gonna guarantee I got this. Yes! What did I tell you? Alright, Royalty fam, today I'm gonna be pranking my parents. So, as you guys might know, my parents just got this brand new car, and it looks like this. But that look is gonna completely change today because I am gonna destroy that car. I'm gonna be spray painting the whole entire car. Let's go. Go get the spray paint. All right, you guys, so right here we got the markers for the windows.
Look at this dude.
Okay, we'll clean that up right after. But right here we also got some really cool colors, which is spray cans. Look, we got green, we got yellow, we got pink, we got red, we got orange, we got white especially, and then we also got purple and we got blue. All right, my parents are gonna be home anytime. Let's go.
Do you think this is a good idea?
Are you serious, my brother?
Jasmine, we got this. Come on. All right, you guys, look at this beautiful car and look at all these colors. This car is gonna be painted in all these colors. So let's start with beautiful red. All right, we gotta shake it. All right, ready? I'm gonna write Ferran.
This is a sign that this is not a good idea.
This is a great idea. And perfect, Ferran. All right, okay, come over here. You smell like, bro, at least stinky. Now let's go towards the back. Perfect. How do you guys like it? Blue. I mean, honestly, I think it's a pretty cool color. Now we're gonna grab a different color. Come over here. We're gonna grab yellow. And now let's go over to the other side. We're good. All right, now we're gonna put Milan, my brother, my baby brother. Milan, perfect. Now we're just gonna draw a little smiley face. Now let's grab a different color. All right, guys, now we're gonna use purple. One headlight done. Actually, I'm gonna use yellow for this one. Perfect. Now, all right, guys, let's go right here. I'm gonna paint the window. Quick smiley face, because, like, why not? I'm gonna give him some hair. Honestly, I think the car is actually looking better than before. I mean, do you guys agree? Perfect. Now we're gonna move on. Ollie sucks.
Oh my goodness.
What?
No.
It looks good. Okay, now we're just gonna draw, I'm gonna draw Ali because, you know, it says Ali sucks. Just gonna draw him. He has horrible hair. And then he has ears. Perfect. Do you guys think that looks like him? Looks exactly the same. Come on. All right, now I'm gonna use white because, you know, the car is black, so maybe this will be way more visible. All right, you guys, I'm gonna show this side of the car a little bit more love. So I'm gonna draw my mom right here. All right, she's got hair, of course. She's got longer hair. Got hair on top, and now we're just gonna draw a heart right here. Heart right there. Heart right there. And then I'm gonna draw a big heart right here. Okay, now we gotta draw the eyes, and then a smiley face, some ears, and then maybe a little bit more hair right there. Perfect. All right, now I gotta hurry up because they're about to come. All right, you guys, now we're gonna get the Halloween vibes because you already know it's Halloween. Now we're just gonna shake it, get on top of here.
My.
Perfect. Now we're gonna draw some pumpkin lines. Cause you know I gotta draw a pumpkin. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna draw this.
Don't you think you're doing a little too much? Like, it's kind of all over now. It's dripping down.
I know, it's perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. Draw the stem, the most important part. Perfect. I'm just gonna an A for Ollie, an N for Milan, F for Ferran, and an A for Let's try this one more time. Okay, I'm gonna need you to pass me the paint, please.
Oh, I'm incriminating myself.
Okay, now we're gonna draw Gucci and Princessa. Let's get Gucci's got like cheeks because you know he's a Frenchie. Gonna go like that. And he's gonna go happy face. He's got a little bit of hair around all over. He's got hair all over. Perfect. Now I gotta draw his body. Alright. Yeah. Perfect. Oh my god. Alright, now Princessa. She's tiny. She's actually a Chihuahua, so gonna make it really small. Ears. Gucci's also got ears. Perfect! Now, I need you to pass me another color. Let's go.
Me?
Yeah. I need another color. Any color, any color. All right? Yellow. Wait, hold up, Jasmine. What's the time?
I think it's around 6.
Oh, we gotta finish this up quickly. Come on, come on. Get everything together. Lena, help me up. Oh, another can right there. Come, follow me. All right, you guys, so right here, I'm gonna have to put these inside because they're actually washable. But these right here, they're permanent spray cans. So we're gonna make my parents believe that I used this on the car. Woo! Put some caps right there, just make it roll down like that. And then we're gonna get this. We're just gonna put it right. Okay. Trash this a little bit more. Maybe put this like right here. Yeah, right there. Look here.
There.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
If anything, this was your idea.
What?
This was your idea.
Why would it be my idea?
Just take the blame, all right? It was your idea. Oh my god, this was your idea. Look what she did.
They better be laughing.
This was all her. Hi guys. How are you guys?
Oh my god.
No, this is a joke.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
No, baby, this is a joke.
Welcome back.
This is a joke, right?
serious?
What do you think about it? I gave you guys a brand new paint job. You like it?
But that comes off, right?
No, it doesn't.
Why'd you let him do this? Got him!
How do you like it? I mean, this is you. This is you. You got the beautiful hair. You got the muscles.
No, Ferran. No, Ferran. Ferran, what did you
tough
do?
to take off.
You don't like it? No, I drew a little
you don't mess
pumpkin,
around with-
and then I put you smell because I mean you smell like honestly.
You don't mess around with this car like
And then
that.
right over here we got Milan. We got Milan right here in all caps because I know you guys like capital letters.
Bruh.
So I put Milan and then I drew myself. Thank you very much. This looks amazing. And then right here I drew a heart just for you. It has a crossbow through it. And then right here I drew you, Mom.
Use on wood, metal, glass, terracotta, and more. Like, bro, this doesn't come off.
Ferran, mi amor, what did you
This
do?
doesn't come off.
You don't like it?
No, guys, like.
Why'd you let him do that?
Oh, and also come
I
over
thought
here.
that
And also
it'd be
come here.
funny.
Oh, it melted, but Gucci and Princess.
I mean, I thought you guys could maybe like get it detailed or something.
Oh, and right here I drew you guys like a pair of new headlights.
Ferran!
You know, this is our baby.
What did you do?
Look at the brand new headlights.
Bro, just figure a way to take it off. Just take it off.
What do you mean?
Take it off.
Hey, guys, look. What do you mean take it off?
Bro, honestly, you need to figure a way to take this off by tomorrow.
No,
like
but I think
tomorrow.
it, like,
Wait,
I don't know, you guys gotta call-
you shouldn't be doing
You guys
this.
gotta call someone and take this off.
Wait a second, stop.
I don't know what you mean. You guys don't like
Ferran, stop joking around.
You guys don't like my artwork?
Stop joking around. What
You
are
guys
you
don't like
doing?
my artwork? I drew you.
No.
Like,
You spray painted the whole car, bro, like all the sides.
This is too much. Like, it's okay, you do pranks and stuff like that, but this is too much.
You don't like it?
No, it's not that I don't like it. Like, what did you do with our car? This is our new brand car.
Yo, this
Why
ain't gonna
did-
come off. This
why
ain't,
you didn't
I don't even know
ask?
if you can get this detailed off. Like, it's not gonna come off.
Why you didn't
This is
ask?
permanent. How is this gonna come off?
I'm just getting a new wrap.
Oh,
This is serious, bro.
Just get a new wrap by tomorrow then.
Honestly, I don't think you
Hey.
guys should get a new wrap because honestly, I kind of like it.
Hey, I don't touch your stuff. I don't ruin your things. I respect your stuff. You should do the same with ours.
I didn't ruin it. I made it better.
No, Ferran, no, this is too much, man. Like, Like, I don't know why you didn't ask me, why you didn't call me, why you didn't come on.
How do you guys not like it? Hey, hey,
You guys,
come on.
hey, you guys all gotta get towels right now and
No,
start
me
scrubbing
no.
off.
I'm out. I'm
We gotta
out.
look. We gotta get towels right now and start
All right,
scrubbing
fine,
off.
I'll be right back.
We gotta
Stay
get
right here.
towels.
Stay right here. Stay right here.
My gosh. This is annoying. Every time he keeps doing this thing on us.
Yo, I know we do pranks and stuff, but he pushed it with this. Like he spray painted the whole car, all the sides. This is our new baby.
All right, check it out.
I'll tell you what. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow morning and all this better be gone.
All right, it all better be gone. Looks like it's getting off.
Wait a second. Is this the spray paint that you use?
Yeah, look.
Let me see it.
It's the exact same spray paint.
It's coming off.
I know.
How come you're gonna use this spray paint? It says use on wood, metal, glass. It doesn't say that it's removable.
Bro,
Wait, hold on. Where'd you get this paint from? Did you get this paint
You
from?
got this paint right here.
where's the paint that you guys really use?
Hey, where'd you guys find this type of paint?
Let me see that. What's
I was
this?
using this paint the whole time.
You were using this one the whole time. Don't try to trick us.
It's washable paint. Come on, bro. You guys got pranked.
You are coming out being so
You
smart.
guys just got pranked.
You use chalk? Spray chalk?
Look,
Oh my
all of it,
goodness.
look. So look, the whole entire thing comes off with the white.
Bro, I don't care. I know it's chalk, but you're still taking off everything, no matter what.
What?
I want to drive this car tomorrow and get breakfast, and I want it to look clean. Honestly, when we got out of the car, I actually thought you spray painted the whole car for legit. Like
I mean, it
thought
looks legit.
I thought you did a whole off-white design. I was like, wait, this guy just wrapped our car?
No, you know what? That he was very creative with this.
Yeah, joke's
I
on
like-
you now. You know what? I'm gonna spray paint your whole room.
Wait,
And you clean here.
Your whole room.
You go! It was Jasmine's idea! No,
Go,
wait!
go.
Wait, no!
Spray paint your room. We gonna spray paint your room. Your room. Peace out.
Alright, Royalty fan, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button right now and give this video a huge thumbs up. Stay Royalty, we out. Peace!